Place phone on workbench. Position near right screw clamp. Switch positioning latch to third gear. Tighten screw clamp to secure phone. Install independent frame removal bracket. Frame removal suction cup length adjustable. Fits all phone sizes at optimal positions. Click upper suction cup button. Activate upper suction force. Hold phone back cover securely. Work platform rotates freely, whether processing front or back end. Adjust to most suitable operating angle. With left-right tilt function, multi-angle 3D adjustment. Right rotation brake handle. Locks any rotation angle. Left electronic tilt brake. Secures any tilt angle. Smooth comfortable operation. Tilt platform to front right angle. When dripping alcohol liquid at front. Flows down along frame slope. Dissolves edge adhesive. Prevents internal leakage into phone. Based on different usage needs, adjust to suitable platform angle. Control liquid flow direction freely. Efficient adhesive removal without damage. Rotate micrometer clockwise. Suction cup lifts upward. Creates gap at back cover edge. Allows insertion of shims alcohol. Drip alcohol to dissolve frame adhesive. Left side same method. Adjust rotation and tilt angles. Drip alcohol. Continue rotating micrometer. Gently separate back cover. Simple, convenient, effective. Deactivate upper suction force. Remove frame removal bracket. Loosen screw clamp. Heat-resistant Bakelite design, safe to handle directly when hot. Rear positioning latches, side heat-resistant pads included, also removable by bare hands. iPhone back cover removal complete. Display and touch fully functional.